Hello everyone. I am Crawlers, and today is the third and hopefully the final part of my videos about getting Steam Overlay into a game that was purchased from a launcher outside of Steam, let's say Battle.net, EA, Rockstar, what have you. So, like we did in the first part of our launcher, today is going to be actually about importing, rather, I should say, start over. Today is going to be about importing custom screenshots or even pictures. They don't even have to be screenshots from games or apps outside of Steam and having them automatically upload to the cloud to your account to the right name of the game. So all you need to do is add a custom non-Steam game through a non-Steam shortcut as we did in the first part of this video and have it as I said before, we need to add not the actual game but the launcher for that game in the shortcut, and obviously it won't in the case of Rockstar it won't launch the game itself. We'd have to do it manually, but let me backtrack a couple of seconds here. Steam keeps its screenshots natively on C program files, and this is the correct folder. As you can see, I can go into C and create this folder manually with all the game IDs and typos that would be prone to, or I can create the folder automatically through Steam, where I can, by creating at least one screenshot in that game, and from that on I am going to launch this game right now with the Steam overlay already working in it, as we did discussed in the first part of our video. And to get the, let's see, there it is. There's the Steam overlay. Okay, where's my, now I need to remember where my key is for my Steam. Oh, there it is. Okay, well, I remembered. All right, so we created a Steam screenshot through Steam's, native app. All right, so now we're gonna close the game. Now remember, boys and girls, when you are running the game and you close it, Steam still thinks you're in the game. That's why it won't pop up with the screenshots that you created in said game. You need to close the launcher or click stop in the game in Steam running the games. So now it will close down the launcher, and here comes the pop-up saying we've got a screenshot. Now I could go to, create it, put it into this game, a name that I created here. I could change it, obviously. I could rename this Red Dead Redemption 2 as the correct name would be that. It doesn't matter. But the point is, if I click show on disk, I can obviously either delete or upload this. But the point is, this is the folder that was now automatically created by Steam. You see all this nested stuff here with game IDs and all that. See, I would never have typed this without a mistake, obviously. Or, even if I had to Google it somewhere. But the point is, this is the folder that now corresponds to the game code RDR2. Obviously, you could rename this something more useful. But the point is, if you stick some of your own screenshots into this folder now, Steam will take a look at them and say, oh, well, these are screenshots. I better upload them to the cloud then. you know. And next time you'll be online, there it is, Bob's your uncle. Except, one more thing I need to note here. Steam, when it creates these screenshots, I should say, automatically, it gives it the name that's the date format, which you can, by the way, copy and, rename your own photo files into something, different here, and then you could slightly modify it by pressing maybe 2 instead of 1. But the point is that you have to rename all your pictures the correct date format that Steam expects it to be. Because then when you go to manage my screenshots and, maybe next time you will launch this thing. Actually, I should probably manage these things if I retype and fix more names of the photos. But the point is, if you were to fix all these names and then click manage view my screenshots, you would automatically see these things appear in Steam, and then you could sort and, choose whether to upload them to your account, is what I'm saying. Because putting up with Rockstar's social club is just terrible, and no one wants to be able to, no one wants to do that anymore. So there it is, boys and girls. That's how you put your own custom screenshots into a Steam overlay. Yay.